top?
Yeah.
Here we go. I don't
Fit in, no matter where I go. I always feel alone without you.
Yeah, thank you.
And while you're gone, I will not be alone. I'll be staying right here with my melancholy blues.
My heart is breaking, my bones are aching and sore.
I'm gonna leave this town, go to Georgia, I'm not sure.
I feel like I can't take it.
I can't take it no more. I'll have to learn to live with these melancholy blues. I won't give in, no matter what I do. I used to think I had the strength to choose. And while you were gone, I could not.
Going in nice. My cutout box working well. So I'm gonna hook up the filler, tub filler now, and I'm gonna use my handy dandy drill press. That works pretty well, so that I keep a nice straight line. Unfortunately, I didn't even set the bolts for this one. I just didn't feel like I could get it lined up correctly. I decided to try and drill them afterwards instead. See, I inset the bolts when I poured the concrete for the drain. It came out beautiful. It's fantastic. And next time, I will inset the bolts with the filler probably.
My heart is breaking.
My bones are aching and sore. I wanna leave this town, head to Georgia, I don't know. I feel like I can't
Okay, kind of exciting for me. First test,
I can't take it
Full,
no more. I'll
water
have
test
to
of
learn
the
to live
newly installed tub filler.
melancholy blues.
Here we go.
I won't give up, no matter what I lose.
Little secret
I used to
compartment.
think I had
Latch floor.
I had the strength to choose. Guess I was
Just
wrong.
hit the booze.
No, nothing's wrong. I'm
Wrong, I'm
happy in my home, living here with my melancholy blues.
My heart ain't breaking, though my bones are aching.
Doesn't appear to be any leakage
I'm
anywhere
gonna
either.
stay right here,
Fantastic.
older and growing poor.
When I feel like I can't take it,
I can't take it no more. I'm gonna sing this song about my melancholy blues.
one more time. When you feel like you can't take it,
You can't take it no more.
well, you can.
More concrete chipping in the kitchen. I get this electrical junction to grade and this empty 6-inch PVC, which I believe is probably for gas. So it will be nice to have if ever in the future gas wants to come here between the wall cabinets and the island.
Yeah.
It's a weird place, so we're just covering it up for now, but it's there if we ever need it. So, back to this.
Feel alone without you.
Yeah, thank you. And
While you're gone, I will not be alone. I'll be staying right here with my melancholy blues.
Okay, so now these will go nice and level beneath the vinyl flooring for later access if we want to run gas or another electric outlet in here from the pantry
I feel like I
between the wall cabinets where the island will be here. So this will be the electric and the water for the island, and that will be located there but hidden underfloor.
I won't give in, no matter what I do. I used to think I had the strength to choose. And while you were gone, I could not be alone. I wrote a song with my melancholy blues. My heart
is breaking.
my bones are aching and sore. I'm gonna leave this town, go to Georgia, I don't know.
I feel like I can't take it.
I can't take it no more. I'll have to learn to live with these melancholy blues.
Okay, I'm in the utility room. You see the dryer, 220 hook up there, and 240 dryer vent. And here is the washer outlet, the plumbing for the washer, the hot cold water and the drain. So I want to open up here and I want to tap off of here and put a utility room sink in along with some other stuff. And I also want to tap into this cold water line, the blue one, and run a line from my ice maker on my refrigerator in the kitchen, which is beyond the stairs. So it'll be an easy run through there and give me a, so I thought I'd show you this process.
I used to think I had the strength to choose. Guess I was
just
wrong.
hit the booze.
But nothing's wrong. I'm
Wrong, I'm
happy in my home, living here with my melancholy blues.
My heart ain't breaking, though my bones are aching and
sore. I'm gonna stay right here, growing older and growing poor.
when I feel like I can't take it.
I can't take it no more. I'm gonna sing this song about my melancholy blues.
One more time. When you feel like you can't take it,
You can't take it no more.
well,
You can sing this song about your melancholy blues.
I like it too. I like the way you say it.